Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Rusty Relic Auto Salvage. My name is Titan, and today we're going to start working on this dumpster. We picked up this 10-yard dumpster a little while back. You can see it in a previous video on our channel. And it, like a lot of things around here, needs a little work. We obviously got a little patching to do there. And we're going to put another floor in it, just because the floor in it is, well, it's thin, it's got holes, it needs to be done. This side's a little bit worse. It started to separate right here at this seam, so we're just going to run ourselves a quick patch all the way down. Nothing fancy. But we're also, these rails were cut off because they were going to do a different setup. The guy that I got this from, he runs, I believe, inside rail setup. So the rails weren't going to work for him. He was going to modify it. We run an outside rail setup, so they're still going to work for us. However, the span is too wide, so we're going to bring the span in. This one's already almost completely cut off. The other one they had basically off. I just took the loader in the previous video and just flopped them off to the side. So we got to do basically the front section of every one of these, and then those should be able to come out and we can get them moved. We'll get everything re-welded. We'll get the patches on and flip it over. I think we'll start by torching off these rails. Alright guys, the customer showed up, so I'm going to take care of them real quick. I'll bring you guys back in just a second. Alright, we're back. I got the rails set up where I want it. I had to tack weld that crack up. It was a little bent once I got it pried off of there. But we're starting the welding right now. Doing that while the customers were pulling parts, so we're just going to keep on welding. Well, I had to cut and weld in a bunch of tabs to go all the way down here. I'm not going to film all of that just because I don't want to bore you guys. But I'll take care of that real quick and bring you guys back. Good morning, everybody. We're back. Yesterday got away from me. We got crazy busy, so I didn't get a chance to turn on the camera. We got the dumpster back in the barn. And I got one of our sheets laid in here. You can see we got a little bit of patching to do, but that's okay. This one's still in dramatically better shape than the 15 yard that we repaired in a previous video. I'm going to go head out into the yard and see what we can find for some scrap materials to patch this up, so I'll bring you guys back when I come up with something. Well, a quick little update while I'm still going to look for some more steel. I went ahead and cut that down and folded it, so that way it would cover up the holes. It'd be a lot easier to weld because it's all solid from here down. And then we can weld it to the other piece that we're going to get. Then we can weld it to the other piece that we're going to have. Alright, I found another piece of steel. Did the same thing as this side. We're going to go ahead and start welding it in. Before I begin welding though, I do want to say this is not a restoration of this box. We're just making the box strong, sturdy, and usable. There's going to be a lot of patching going on, and to be honest, as long as we have this box, in all reality, as long as we have this box, we're probably just going to keep patching on it until it's just not patchable anymore and it has to be replaced. In all reality, all it needs to do is safely get scrap from the customer's location back to the yard without spilling anywhere. So as long as it can do that, I'm more than happy with it. As long as it can do that, I'm more than happy with that. I think for this welding, we're going to go ahead and set you guys up on a time lapse. Alright, we'll let that cool for a minute. Now we're going to figure out something for that back wall right there to get those holes patched up. Alright, it'll look a little bit funky, but this will take care of that. That'll be nice and sturdy again. I'm not going to film it. I'm just going to go ahead and zip this in real quick, and I'll bring you guys back here in just a sec. Alright, we got the front patches in. We got a patch there and a patch there. We got to finish getting everything welded in. I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera so that way I don't bore you guys. So I'll bring you guys back when we're ready to put this on the truck. Well, you guys are going to see that this video ties into the next roll-off episode. Alright guys, that does it for this one. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button and share with your friends. We will catch you guys on the next one. Later.